In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a GIF in Microsoft Teams. Now, there's two ways to do this. You want to open up a chat, and then down here at the bottom where it says type a message, you want to click in here, and then you want to either click on this button over here, which says emoji, GIFs, and stickers. So click on that, and you want to switch over to GIFs up top. And then from here, you can see you can find something fun, or you can just go and search through these GIFs. So for example, I'm just going to click on this one and just select kind of this first one I find like that. There we go. I'm going to click on the send button, and it's going to send that specific GIF for you. Now you also have an option to actually send a GIF which you kind of created yourself, or a custom one. So you simply want to go to click on the attach button, the attach files, click on that, go to upload from this device, and then from here you want to find your GIF. I'm going to go to downloads and look for GIF over here, and I'm just going to pick this one over here, and I'm going to click on open. Now wait for a few seconds for this to actually load like that. There we go. And you then want to click on the send button. It's going to send it. It's going to wait for a few seconds, and there we go. As you can see, if I play it, it's now actually the GIF which I uploaded. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.